Hello everyone, I'm Julia, welcome back to my channel. I can't believe this is my last tutorial of the year and that I even started this channel in the first place. So thank you so much for watching my videos, for your likes, comments. And today I want to show you how to crochet super simple lipstick holder. It's a super quick project you can finish in one evening. And it's a holiday time, so I decided to use metallic yarn to give it a lovely shine. So let's get started. Then I take Carabiner into this place. This and over. This chain doesn't count as a stitch. Then I make single crochets this way over the end. In total I made 10 stitches. Then turn and chain, turn this way. Into the first and last stitch I make increases. Let's make the first increase, 2 stitches in one place. And I marked the first stitch. Then 8 stitches without increases, just single crochets. And into the last increase, 2 stitches in one place. Chain. Then the next row without increases, just 12 stitches, 1, the last stitch, turn and chain, and then I just keep crocheting rows with 12 single crochets. And I mark the first and last stitch. Turn and chain and continue. Now fold the piece this way. You should have 6 rows left at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This way. And we are going to join these sides using slip stitches. The first slip stitch we make through these places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The hook under this stitch this way. On this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This line. Pull through and through this stitch. Then the next line, use this line as a guide. 1 line, 1 stitch. So the next place right here. And the next on the other side. Yarn over and pull through. The last stitch on this side. Then, so you don't have to cut the yarn and start here, I just continue making slip stitches along this short side. The last stitch on this side, and then here I repeat everything the same. Time for the last stitch. Then I secure the end. I make a knot and weave in under these stitches.